Alrighty, YouTubers, we made it. It is Thursday, March 29th. Almost Easter. But today is opening day. And except for ours got rain delayed till tomorrow. So it is raining here in Michigan. And definitely excited for the baseball season. And now today we have Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. Click on the links down below. This is from Shellbox, I do believe. I found my scissors. Oh yeah. Happy day. These are one of my favorite pairs of scissors. Nice, easy to cut with. Whoop. And there we go. But hopefully you guys are alright. Everybody is safe. And, what do we have to show you guys today? Oh boy. Now this looks nice. Definitely now, since spring is here, summertime is approaching, you want to cool down, you need one of these during your gaming sessions on Twitch. Mini fan, double batteries, ultra quiet, strong wind, aroma therapy. Whoa, F150, stepless regulation. Awesome. They got different colors to choose. But the links are going to be down below. Like I said, you guys can get one at a low cost. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Get in no time. Whoa, everything falls out. Bam. Holy moly. We got these batteries. Focus. And we got big pink batteries. Whoa. 1, 2. We got a backup. USB charge, backup, and sticking, so you can stick it somewhere. Let's see the main course, what it looks like. Awesome. Oh, this is nice. Nice design. Nicely made. Look at that. Got the levels down here. It's actually like a real fan. Yeah, I'm gonna need to plug it in the USB in a second. And there's a battery slot. You put 2 batteries in. Which way? Hold on 1 second. Plus right here. Oh, gotta get this one out. Really cool. So thank you guys for sending me this to show the YouTubers for a nice little review. And this will be perfect for TTMers when we're writing out our letters or typing out our letters. You guys could cool down a little bit. Get one of these fans in your bathroom, your office, gaming area. Oh, it works. Look at that. That's cool logo right there. Got the dude that's blowing some smoke. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. You got a clip, so maybe truck drivers, Uber drivers, you guys could hook this up to your ride. Ooh, I can feel it. Too bad you guys can't feel it. You guys can if you guys order one. This is definitely nice. Oh yeah. Cool you guys down a little. Yeah. Got the swivel. Look at that swivel. Bam. Up, down. Not all the way, but look at that. Boom. In case you want to dry your nails. That'd be a good thing too for females or guys. They could dry their nails with that. My scar is finally going down. Did a nice little burn on the oven a couple days ago. But definitely nice. Check them out, YouTubers. Get one at a low cost. A mini fan, F150. It's like the Ford truck. But yeah, definitely nice. Let's see if you guys can see it on top. What it looks like. Raise you guys up. Boom, look at that. Awesome. really good people on Amazon also. So definitely see what else they have to offer at a low cost. And that's about it, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a great weekend. I think I will see you guys before Easter. If not, happy Easter to everybody. And be safe. See ya.